Hey everybody, I'm home early today. You can tell because I've got the banner up. Pretty sunny today out here. Man, we've got 60 degrees sunshine, just beautiful. By tomorrow morning we're supposed to have 6 inches of snow on the ground. That's the nature of the beast around here. So all these noises and all the lights you're seeing in the back here is just the wind blowing through my blinds back here. So anyway, I just want to let you know today we went and did our written test. First of all, we went to class this morning, and like they said they were going to do, they brought one of the trucks over. The one they brought over happened to be about a '99 Freightliner, but everything's been gone over it. It looks, it's a real decent looking truck. Everything's in order on it, but so basically what we did is we went over all the brake system and any questions we had, and we went and looked at it, and there was a couple of the instructors were there, so everybody had a lot of questions, and we checked it out. Then they cut us loose to go take our written tests. Okay, so we all went to the DMV of our choice, and it just so happened to be like 6 of us showed up at the same one. But we went to take our test. So basically all we had to do was go in, check in. There's usually a section that says CDL license. You go up there, and then if there's a line, they only have everything's computerized now over here anyway. So they only have so many machines, so many computers. So you might have to wait in line a little bit. But so basically all you have to do, I'm sorry, I'm still a little excited, so I'm kind of stumbling here. But the first things that you need to do to be able to get your permit is you need to pass the 3 to get your Class A, which is I went through this before, general knowledge, air brakes, combination. Okay, so once you get those, you can get it in hand. Anything else are determined as add-ons. I can't remember, there's a specific word they use, and it slips my mind right now, but it's like hazmat, doubles, triples, tankers. But if you're going to drive a school bus, there's another one. So I think I can't remember what, but it has to do with K12 or something like that. And so that's to drive a school bus. And then there's another one. It's a P2. That's a passenger endorsement. I didn't do those, but the rest of them I did. So basically, it'll take you through and do each section at a time. And once you hit 80%, it's a passing score, so it'll take you to the next test. I decided to go ahead and just do them all, just do all the ones that pertain to the Class A driving. So basically, I ended up passing everything on my first go round. So I did get I passed my hazmat, the doubles, triples, and tankers. So that makes me a little bit more marketable right when I get out. You don't have to have those to be able to go out and drive, but if you're going to, obviously it's pretty self-explanatory. But so it's nice to have that on my license right when I go out there. The only thing I still need to do, if I want that hazmat endorsement, I need to go back and then do a TSA background check. You end up having to go somewhere, they do your fingerprints, do a background check. It's part of the Patriot Act thing. So here they charge like $89 or something like that for that background check. So when I come up with the money, I'll do it, but hopefully I can do it before they do my complete license. So I've got it right here in hand. This is my temporary. They'll mail me my my permit within 30 days. So pretty cool, we really crammed. Now the thing about this stuff is, if you do well in class and you study and you do well in your class tests and everything else, you'll do just fine when you go to take your test at the DMV. Now if you struggle in anything, go ahead and study up on that, because it will come back. It'll come back and bite you. So just as long as you do okay in the classroom, you don't have any problems there, you'll fly through this other stuff. So just be prepared, do a little studying. They like numbers. In hazmat, there's some things that they want you to know, some procedures. Like I said, you should do fine. Anyway, I'm happy as anything right now. So I'm just going to relax tonight and do nothing, man. I mean, it was a lot of cramming in just 2 days, but these instructors know what they're doing, and as long as you follow what they're teaching, you'll do okay. Like I said, man, ask questions. If you have a problem, man, that's what they're there for. Just ask, and if you have to do it 2 or 3 times, just do it. And if you don't pass the first time, don't worry about it. You can take the test again. And also, if you don't pass it, you can still come back another time if you like. But one of the guys went back twice today, and I don't know how he did the second time. He didn't make it the first time, so he's trying it again. If he doesn't make it this time, he's going to go back to the school tomorrow, and they're going to really work on him, just to get him up to speed. So that's one of the good things about going to a school. Okay. Anyway, if you're not going to school, I mean, this stuff should help you a little bit anyway, because every question that's in there comes straight out of the CDL book. So all the answers are there. So anyway, I don't want to ramble on. I'm just totally exhausted. It's sunshine and beautiful outside here right now. By tomorrow morning when I go to school, I may have to leave at like 5 a.m. just because we're supposed to have like 6 inches of snow by morning. Hopefully it doesn't happen that way. They've been wrong before, but in Colorado, that's the way it works. So right now, there's, like I said, this is what I'm wearing outside today. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all for supporting me here. This is getting good for me anyway. Starting tomorrow, we're going to get in the regular curriculum. So I'll let you know how it goes. All right, you guys have a good one. I'll talk with you soon. Bye.